Hello everyone. Welcome to Study Biology with Jisha. Subscribe this channel and enjoy each and every bit of it. Yes, of course, you will get great amount of interesting biology based material here. Thank you. So we have reached control and coordination sample set 2. This set is about coordination in plants. Happy self assessment as I always say, and continue with this question set interestingly. Thank you. Okay, dear students. So here I am with the sample set 2, chapter control and coordination, and the topic is coordination in plants. So this is the second sample set for control and coordination chapter, and the topic I have taken is coordination in plants. So this is the first page. In the first page I have given questions which are on generally on the plants topic, and in this page there are four questions, out of which question number 4 is very interesting. It is a chart question. You have to fill in the blanks in the chart, and this is a very interesting question paper. And of course, one very important thing is from this chapter is very small, and hence very few questions, board based 3 mark 2 mark type of questions are very less. But yes, the online test which I will be giving at the end of this chapter is important, because from this chapter MCQ based true and false based questions are important. So I need you to give importance to this chapter, not by thinking that this is a small chapter. Yes, it is a small chapter, but all the questions from this chapter are very analytical, and it is, you have to use your brain, think, and then you have to write. So this is the first page of sample set 2, control coordination, and coordination in plant is a topic, and this is the first page, and this is having 4 questions. Now let us move on to the second page. Okay, dear students, this is the second page of sample set 2 of chapter control and coordination. It is also having 4 questions, question number 5 to question number 8. Here also one interesting question is there in question number 7, which is also the same, complete the chart. And here also you have to fill up the charts. Now this type of questions can come in 2 marks and 3 marks, because each of these blanks are half marks. So you need to understand and go through all these topics properly. Then the last question is an activity based question. As you know, directly activities are coming in the board exam, and we need to prepare for that this year, that is in the current 2020 year board exam also. From the chapter life process, a direct activity based question was there. So you need to practice and learn and understand all the activities in the book of the NCERT. So hence I have given one activity based question, and this is a regular activity based question. Previously directly activity based question from this was not coming, but yes, bit questions were coming. But this time I have planned to give you directly activity based question, because that type of questions are coming in the board in from this year. So this is a second page having 4 questions, and also easy 2-3 mark questions, and also all of them are conceptual questions. Chalo abhi let's move to page number 3. Okay guys, this is the last page of control and coordination sample set 2 on the topic coordination in plants. And here only in this the third page you have 2 questions. So in total in this topic you are having 10 questions. Out of these 2 questions, question number 9 that you are having is very interesting type. Here again I have given labeling, to label A and to label B. You can see A and B. So A and B you have to label it, and just write what type of tropic movements they are showing. Okay, so you just have to write what type of tropic movements they are showing, A and B, the part A of the plant and part B of the plant. And in question number 10, it is a important question. It can come as a 3 mark question. It is very important. So think, it is a conceptual question, so think and write. Of course, again I'm telling, all the answers are NCERT based. So if you have gone through the NCERT book properly, you can seriously write all the answers. If you have read all the whole book properly and seen all my videos properly, you can easily answer all these questions. So now let us move on again to the page number 1 of sample set 2, so that you will get one idea. If you have missed any questions, you can again get it back and you can take a snapshot. So let's move to page number 1 again. So this is page number 1 again. Page number 1 of sample set 2, control and coordination chapter. The topic name is coordination in plants. This page consists of 4 questions and all these are conceptual based questions. Now let us move to page number 2. Okay guys, so this is the page number 2 of sample set 2, control and coordination chapter, coordination in plants topic, and this page also consists of 4 questions. So in total we have now 8 questions from page 1 to page 2. And again I'm telling, conceptual based questions, 2-3 mark questions. You can easily answer them if you have gone through the videos of my videos, and of course read the NCERT book properly. Now let us move to page number 3. This is the page number 3, which is having only 2 questions, and from these 2 questions, question number 9 is very interesting. You just have to write or label A and B. What is the name of A and B? What type of tropic movements those two are showing? Just, of course, A, you know what is the what is A and what is B, but you have to just write what is the tropic movement it is showing, so that you will write it in question number 9. And question number 10 also, it is a conceptual question, analytical question, think and write. So I hope you have understood this chapter properly. We have done including this 2 sample sets of this chapter I have given, and in my next video I will be uploading one more sample set, and of course I will give you the link of an online test on this chapter. I hope my last online test on life process was very interesting and you were all happy with that. So in the next video I'll be uploading one more online test of this chapter along with the last part of this chapter. So stay tuned and happy self assessment. Thank you everyone.